இன்று டாக்டர் சீனிவாசராவ் அவர்கள் பெங்களூரிலிருந்து வந்திருக்கிறார். அவர் ஹைட்ராலஜி துறையில் டாக்டர் பட்டம் பெற்றவர். ஆனால் பல்வேறு துறைகளில் ஆராய்ச்சி செய்திருக்கார். அதுவும் நமக்கு மிகவும் விருப்பமான கோவில் முதலிய துறைகளில் ஆராய்ச்சி செய்திருக்கார். இதோ டாக்டர் சீனிவாசராவை அழைக்கிறேன். டாக்டர் சீனிவாசராவ், இப்பொழுது உங்கள் அறிமுகத்தை துவங்கலாம்.
Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. My pranamas to Vasudhaiva Kutumbam. Good evening to all viewers. My name is Dr. Harihara Srinivasa Rao. I live in Bengaluru, having nativity from Harihara in Davangere district of Karnataka state, India. My heartfelt thanks to Shri Santanam Swaminathan, Shri Santanam Nagarajan, and Shri Santanam, who is a friend and colleague while I was working in Central Water Commission. My Sirasashtanga pranamas to my spiritual Guruji, Sadguru Shri Samarth Narayan Maharaj of Harihar, my father Shri H. Atmaram Rao Harihar, and Srimati Sitama Edihalli, Harapanahalli Taluk, Bellary district. My namaskaras to all Gurujanas who are inspiring and guiding me to take up this task. Born at Harihar in Davangere district, hailing from a family who is devoted to take care of rituals and various operations of Shri Harireshwara temples at Harihar for generations. A science graduate having a diploma in civil engineering, done MA in inscriptions from Mysore University, finally doctorate in hydrology based on inscriptions and literature at the age of 60. I have 80 research papers to my credit. Throughout my sessions on this platform, I will speak about various aspects of temple architecture, idols, inscriptions, acoustics, yoga, effects of lullaby with respect to their relation and effects in terms of spirituality and various religious aspects. I will also touch upon a few aspects and traits of hydrology and explain how throughout the passage of time it has given shape to various religious thoughts, spirituality, and literature. Now, I am speaking on the subject spirituality and water science in Sri Purandaradasa Sahitya. My great pranamas to Sri Purandaradasji. It is a well-known fact that music is one of the most influential media of all times. Shravanam Sarvam Nadamayam. Karnataka Sangeeta Pitamaha Sri Purandaradasaru, who lived during the period of Vijayanagara 1485 to 1565 AD, had successfully used this media of music to convey his thoughts to promote the spirituality in human beings. In today's world, the word attention is playing a role as we used to call it as demon in the Puranic times. All the philosophers in the world advocate, irrespective of region, language, etc., it is the spirituality which brings mental peace, and it is the only remedy to remove or to calm down the mind from all the mysterious and dangerous effects of tension, whether it is BP, sugar, and so on, which are a few byproducts of tension. Manava Janma Doddado, Ida Hani Madali Bedi Huchappagalira. These are the words of Sri Purandaradasji. The human body is so precious on earth, having supreme speciality of creation by God. So please do not waste your time and energy by engaging yourself only in the worldly affairs, always, he says, it is through Bhakti Marga that one can live happily and attain salvation easily. Importance of the role of water in life. In order to create the perfect spiritual environment of both body and mind, that is externally and internally, purity is a very basic need indeed. Here comes the importance of water. It is most important element for all living beings on earth, whether it is flora, fauna, animal, or human beings. This has been well explained and defined in Rig Veda also, as it puts in Sanskrit, Jalam Jivanam, in a very short way, no water, no life. Realizing this important role of water in life, Sri Purandaradasaru does not miss even a single opportunity to convey this great truth through the very first song, which is taught as a Balapatha in Karnataka music, Pillari Gita, throughout South India and elsewhere. The very first line, while praising Lord Sri Ganesha, he calls him as Karuna Sagara Karivadana Lambodara Lakumikara. Sri Ganesha is the ocean of mercy, he says. Folklore is another universal tool that all our Indian saints and sages have abundantly used to convey their messages to common man. This seems to be simple in saying, but unless one can have the humane touch of heart enriched with abundant granary of good words and experience in life, it is very difficult to write a single line of such good lyrics. Here is an example again in the same Kriti, Sri Gananatha. Sri Dasaru uses this simple but great technique of conveying the thing explained as it said above from folklore. Kereya neeranu kerege challi varava padedavarante kaaniro. A person draws water from a tank or the water source and leaves it to the tank itself. By doing so, he will be getting optimum benefit of blessings of God. The beauty of this line consists of two parts of water science embedded in this sentence. Actually, he gives the picture of a person doing Sandhyavandanam standing in a tank water or kere. The first part is a common proverb in Kannada language, Kereya neeranu terege challi. Drawing the water from the water source, use it for agriculture, cleaning, etc. and again leaving it back to the nature directly by drainage or by evaporation and so on. The second part, Varava Padedavarante Kaaniro, by taking the name of God in terms of Keshava, Narayana, Govinda, the 24 names as we express in Sandhyavandanam, he will get the benefit or vara or the blessings of God, which has the dual gain for both mind and body. By chanting Gayatri Mantra, Dhiyo Yona Prachodaya, the brain and thoughts will be activated naturally. Hydrological cycle. In Sandhyavandanam, there is a beautiful line which always we say while doing Sandhyavandanam, Akashat Pathitam Toyam Yata Gacchati Sagaram. In this line of Sandhyavandanam, modern hydrological process of water cycle can be traced. The liquid water gets evaporated from the sun heat forming clouds in the sky. It gets consolidated into raindrop by gravitational force of Earth. The streams and rivers thus formed flows and enters again to the sea. Likewise, if you praise God by any name, it will be leading to Lord Keshava himself. Thus, Sri Purandaradasaru concludes the Pillari Gita, that is first lesson in Karnataka music. Hariya Karuna Dolada Bhagyava Hari Samarpane Madi Badukiro Shri Purandara Vithala Rayana Charana Kamalavanambi Badukiro. Whatever the benefits or the vara got by the mercy of God, let you give back to Sri Hari so that you will be safe and all your doubts, confusion, tension will subside or merge themselves in God himself and will be getting mental peace and freshness to body and mind. It is not accidental, as he was a master of music and a writer. That means Vagyayakara. This song is set in the tune of Malahari Raga. Malahari, which means all the dust and other pollutants couched in the body and mind are cleared without difficulty by singing the names of God. Thus, this first kriti of Sri Purandaradasaru expresses the importance of spirituality, Sahitya, sense of water sciences in the form embodied in music that gives the solace. In this way, helps us to regain our energy and confidence, combat and kill the so-called demon of tension, which to my little knowledge can be called as Rajamarga of Bhakti Yoga, spread Amrutattva on the pittance of spirituality, which is the Kainkarya and one of the major intentions of Gana Mayam, Gana Sudar broadcast. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Jai Jai Raghuvira Samarth.
Thank you, Dr. Harihara Srinivasa Rao. We expected only a scientific talk, but we were enjoying your Sankita Upanyasa from Purandaradasa's Pilliyar Stuti 2, Agasad Padidamyam Yadagachati Sagaram Sarvadeva Namaskara Kesam Vidigichati. Up to then, we have enjoyed every bit of what you have said. It is a thought-provoking and very informative lecture. We would like to hear more from you next week. Thank you very much for your talk. Thanks, Dr. Srinivasa.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Namaskar.